Here's some Wiener Werkstätte trivia. Subscribe. Which city was the primary location for the Wiener Werkstätte? Is it A. Berlin, B. Budapest, C. Vienna, or D. Zurich? The correct answer is C. Vienna. Identify the designer known for his iconic fabric patterns in the Wiener Werkstätte. Is it A. Oskar Kokoschka, B. Josef Hoffmann, C. Koloman Moser, or D. Gustav Klimt? The correct answer is C. Koloman Moser. Who was a notable architect involved with Wiener Werkstätte? Is it A. Frank Lloyd Wright, B. Alvar Aalto, C. Otto Wagner, or D. Le Corbusier? The correct answer is C. Otto Wagner. What year was the Wiener Werkstätte established? Is it A. 1900, B. 1908, C. 1920, or D. 1903? The correct answer is D. 1903. Which famous Wiener Werkstätte painter also contributed to theater design? Is it A. Franz Marc, B. Henri Matisse, C. Gustav Klimt, or D. Paul Klee? The correct answer is C. Gustav Klimt. Identify the annual event the Wiener Werkstätte participated in showcasing their works. Is it A. Art Nouveau Fair, B. Modernist Exhibition, C. Secession Exhibition, or D. International Art Show? The correct answer is C. Secession Exhibition. In what year did the Wiener Werkstätte disband? Is it A. 1932, B. 1940, C. 1915, or D. 1925? The correct answer is A. 1932. What term describes the Wiener Werkstätte's approach to creating functional art? Is it A. Industrial modernism, B. Functional minimalism, C. Abstract expressionism, or D. Total work of art? The correct answer is D. Total work of art. Who was the primary patron supporting the Wiener Werkstätte artists? Is it A. Otto Wagner, B. Richard Neutra, C. Gustav Klimt, or D. Fritz Warendorfer? The correct answer is D. Fritz Warendorfer. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.